Boa tarde. Oi, gente. Boa tarde. Boa tarde.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to our press conference. Let me start by introducing members of NDD management. Her Excellency, Madam President Dilma Rousseff. Of course, you know her. From my left side, Vice President Manali Ratsoma, Chief Financial Officer. Vice President Vladimir Kazbekov, Chief Operating Officer, Vice President Anil Kishora, Chief Risk Officer, and Vice President Mr. Zhou Tianwu, Chief Administrative Officer. Let us start with some explanation about